If you had the choice, would you rather earn $1 million a year, grinding 60 to 80 hours a week, or earn $10,000 monthly passively, money that shows up whether you work or not? Take your time to really think about this. For most people, choose wrong. And it's not their fault, because we've been conditioned to believe that a bigger paycheck means a better life, that more income equals more freedom. But that's a lie. A trap designed to keep you working harder but never getting ahead. NFL legend Warren Sapp earned $82 million in his career, but then in 2012, he filed for bankruptcy. Meanwhile, Ali Abdaal, once a full-time doctor, now earns more money passively on a monthly basis than most do in a year. Content, digital products, and his systems that works while he sleeps. You can earn like the 1%. You can look rich, live large, flex online, and still be broke. Because the problem isn't how much you make, it's how your money flows. Many of us think that earning six figures means that we have made it. Then tell me, why in 2024, nearly 60% of people earning over $100,000 a year, nurses, engineers, managers, consultants, and many more, are still living paycheck to paycheck? Not because they're careless, but because the cost of living has exploded. Rent's up, food is up, childcare, health insurance, student debt, it's all gone up. And your income? Well, it's been playing catch up, but never quite getting there. This is bigger than budgeting. It's about how money flows in your life. And unless you learn how to control that flow, you keep working harder only to feel like you are falling behind. So here's the lie we've been told from day one. Go to school, get a job, climb the ladder, and life will be okay. Many of us have probably been told this as kids. But let's say you have done everything right. You follow the playbook, and now you're making six figures a year, and you're still feeling broke. Let's put it simple. Let's say your rent is $3,500, your car payment is $800, your daycare, well, that's $2,000, your student loans are $600, not to imagine your subscriptions, groceries, and insurance, which is another $1,200, and your lifestyle cost, which includes dining out, Uber, occasional shopping, that's a couple $1,000s. So what are you really left with by the end of the month? A few bucks, maybe if you're lucky, a few $1,000s, and sometimes nothing at all. The thing is that most people fail to understand is that they don't have a salary problem, they have a cash flow problem. But understanding this one simple thing will change the way you see the game. Let's take Cody Sanchez for example. Used to be a journalist, but now she owns multiple businesses that makes cash flow every single month without her needing to show up. As Robert Kiyosaki famously says, the poor and the middle class works for money, but the rich, they make money work for them. High income makes you look successful, but only cash flow can make you actually free. This isn't about income. It's about what you keep and how that money moves, not just for today, but every single month with or without you. The income you make and what you do with it is your financial life. What you earn is flowing in, but it's also flowing out fast. Cash flow isn't just about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. It's how money moves through your life month after month. For example, John, a marketing VP earning $200,000 a year, but his lifestyle costs him $195K. He looks rich, but no, he's broke. Meanwhile, Lisa owns 3 Airbnb rentals in Tennessee, brings in $4,000 a month net every month, even while she sleeps. Lisa is not flashy, she's not balling out, but she's free because her assets are doing the work. Meanwhile, Jason is trading his time for money. Lisa, she's getting paid, whether she shows up or not. That's the difference. Here's the thing you should understand. High income doesn't equal wealth. However, positive cash flow equals freedom and security. This isn't a conspiracy theory. This is the actual playbook the wealthy use quietly while the rest of us chase promotions, big salaries, and fancier job titles. Wealthy people don't just earn more, they think differently. They focus on systems that produce consistent cash flow, assets that pay them monthly, habits that keep them out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. That's not luck, that's just simple cash flow. Let's talk about mindset. Before cash can come flowing into your bank account, it has to show up in your belief systems first. Most people rely on one income stream, and that's their job. That's one paycheck, one employer, one point of failure. It's not safe, it's not scalable, and it's not sustainable. However, the wealthy think in streams. They don't ask, how can I earn more money? Instead, they ask, how can I set up systems so that money comes in even when I don't? Mr. Beast, for example, started as a YouTuber and has built an empire with Feastables, Beast Burger, merch, brand deals, and now is earning from multiple sources while hiring teams to scale even larger. Erica Kohlberg, once a corporate lawyer, built a personal brand on YouTube, now earns from affiliate links, brand deals, digital products, and massive funnels. As you can see, multiple streams equal multiple lifelines. This isn't magic, this is strategy. It's how the rich stop working for money and start making money work for them. Here are the 3 types of income everyone should know: earned income, passive income, and portfolio income. Earned income equals you trade time for money. Passive income equals money comes in whether you work or not. Portfolio income equals dividends, capital gains, investments working in the background. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. The goal isn't hustle culture, the goal is optionality. So when life happens, when you get sick, or lose a job, or need to take care of your family, you don't just rely on one income stream. No, you have multiple. With that comes financial freedom. Now, let's bring it back down to earth. You don't need to be rich. You don't need a massive following. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. What you truly need is a solid strategy and some momentum. Here's how to take back control step by step. 1. Cut lifestyle creeps. This isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. Lifestyle creep is what happens when your expenses rise just as fast as your income. To cut on lifestyle creeps, you can cancel what you don't use, pause emotional spending, audit your last 90 days of expenses, create space between your ego and your income. Living below your means isn't a sacrifice, it's a setup for freedom. 2. Start a side hustle that can scale. You're not just trading hours anymore. You are building a system that earns beyond the 9 to 5. Examples are like freelancing, start a Substack or a newsletter, flip products on Facebook Marketplace, launch a faceless YouTube channel, sell our digital products, whether it's ebooks or online courses, create ones, get paid over and over. 3. Invest in cash flow and assets. Don't just save money, make it work for you. You can invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, vending machines, ATM routes, faceless YouTube channel, digital products. Assets should pay you, not cost you. 4. Automate your money. Your willpower can fade, but automation doesn't. Use tools like YNAB for budgeting, M1 financing for investing, and even auto transfer money from your savings account into investments. When your money moves automatically, your progress becomes inevitable and there's less emotion involved. Start small, stay consistent. You don't need overnight success. You just need one cash flow and asset at a time. Now you know the truth. Income is loud, cash flow is quiet. Income impresses, but cash flow sustains. It's what keeps the lights on when life gets messy. It's what gives you time with your kids, peace of mind at night when everyone else is stuck in survival mode. So what's one income stream we are going to start building this year? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading every single one. And if this video opened your eyes, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, and share this with someone who's stuck in the income trap, because they don't need more hustle, they need a new blueprint.